Hey, Future Daniel here. This video right here does not contain the update from today, from 4th June. If you wanna see that, I made a separate video. If you're wondering why I didn't include it in this one, it's because I made this video yesterday and it was scheduled to release today. And so I just had to make another video real quick before publishing this one. So yeah, that one is kind of more important right now. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. If you have been on the Steam community market in the past few days, you have probably noticed a few things happening at the same time. First of all, we have witnessed the 2020 RMR capsules jump almost 50% in price. We have seen a mysterious heavy crash in a lot of PUBG skins. In CSGO, the clutch case and many other are currently exiting the orbit on board the starship, with their destination being the moon. Last but not least, we've heard rumors that you are not subscribed. About 70% of people watching this have not turned the subscribe button gray. I'll be really happy if you do me that favor, and while you're down there, why not smash the like button as well. Here is a picture of a kitten as a reward for your effort. Thank you. Alright, let's get into this. RMR capsules have grown extremely slow in the past week, as the supply was actively decreasing and the demand stayed pretty much the same. Though on June 1st the scales have tipped slightly more towards the demand, in a market where nothing has happened in a while, and yes, I do consider 2 weeks to be a long enough time. People are on edge, waiting for the next event to happen. The slight increase in demand for these capsules has led to a chain reaction, where people bought in because the prices were rising, which caused the price to go even higher, and in turn more people started panicking and buying because of their FOMO. Lots of people have missed some opportunities on the market, because it is just impossible to predict most events, so fearing that it will happen again, they've bought in hoping to sell higher in the spike most likely. As I am sure most people acknowledge that this is not sustainable. Spikes happen all the time, and if it grows suddenly, it will fall just as abruptly, especially that there was no important event that triggered this. Last time when a spike in the RMRs happened was when the capsules were removed from the store. That was a pretty important event. That's why the price was sustainable at this new level. Actually, I wrote this part of the script yesterday, when the capsule price was at the peak, and already today the capsule is on a decline, having lost 10% at the moment of me recording this. Now the next important headline of today is about PUBG. And listen, before you click away, I'm covering this because it is a significant event on the Steam community market, and my channel generally is about the market. I don't care what game the event is related to, as long as it matters in the grand scheme of things, I think you should hear about it. In the past few days, I've noticed that some of the PUBG items made it to the first page on the market, which is very unusual. I checked them and saw this insane drop from 50 euros to 20 euros in the span of 24 hours. I investigated the situation and found out that there was a new big update dropped in PUBG. They made a certain crate available that featured rare weapons from other cases, and as I understood, this crate is cheaper to open than the older ones, which led to people spam unboxing them, and of course the price fell 6 feet under because of people panic selling as well. I might be wrong about some details though, I've never played PUBG, so if I missed something then please let us know about it in the comments. Third and last headline for today is about the crazy price climbs for CSGO cases. Most of them have seen a price increase in the past week, and some, like the clutch case and Spectrum 2, have grown almost 50%. Now, I'm not supposed to give my opinion, but I think this is due to not much happening on the market. So people turn to unboxing cases and investing into older cases, as they are always viable options. One of the crazier items is the sticker Capsule 2, which has hit 20 euros today. At this point, we can treat this capsule like the Bravo and the weapon case, because it is just as rare as those. Though, looking at the lifetime graph, you can tell that this is not the first time the capsule has had an insane growth like now. It has happened before, always during summertime, and eventually it fell close to where it started. Also, in case you didn't know, the sticker crown foil almost doubled in price in the past few days, hitting 1000 euros on Steam community market today. Yeah, I wouldn't say it was unexpected, it's just that nobody really cared about it all that much. Previously, when the capsule spiked, the crown sticker mimicked its behavior. If you really want to invest into these capsules, you should do it on the day after the next operation is released, because as history shows, that's when these items cost the least during the year. That is all the headlines that I had for today. By the way, I purchased a green screen and it arrived today, so we are going to have a lot more fun on streams now. If you don't want to miss it, I stream every Tuesday and Saturday at 7 PM GMT plus 3. Also, I've decided to switch around my schedule a bit, and instead of trying to upload every day, I will upload 3 times a week here. One video is going to be about news, events, and so on. One video will be informative, as in I will pick a topic, research it, and then basically write an essay on it, just like I usually do with my informative videos. The third video will be about flipping, either me updating you on my next series or some tutorials related to flipping. This will allow me to have a little more time so I can start filming and uploading on my second channel. Thank you for watching this short little news video. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.